What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you how to withdraw Hamster Kombat Coin in Bitget Wallet. So make sure to stay till the end of the video and not miss any step. So, start by logging in into your Bitget account through the website or mobile app. After that, navigate to the wallet section typically found in the main menu. Look for Hamster Kombat HAM in your list of assets. Click on it and view details. And you will be prompted to enter the amount of HAM you wish to withdraw. Provide the wallet address where you want to send your HAM coins and ensure the address is correct to avoid lost funds. Review all the details carefully. Once confirmed, you may need to complete any additional security steps such as two-factor authentication. After confirmation, submit your withdrawal request and you should receive a notification once the transaction is processed. Always ensure you have the correct withdrawal address and consider any withdrawal fees that may apply. And that's it guys.